Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows 7. Right-click Taskbar, Task Manager. Click Process tab. Select discord.exe, click End Process. Type %appdata% in Windows search bar. Press Enter key. Delete Discord folder. Type %local appdata% in Windows search bar. Press Enter key. Delete Discord folder. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.